In this video, I'll show you how you can quickly switch accounts on Roblox PC as well as on your phone. Now on your phone, quickly what you want to do is just open up Roblox, click in the bottom right corner where it says More, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and there should be a button that says Switch Accounts. Now on the PC, it's also super simple. You want to head over to roblox.com, log into an account, and then simply click up on the cogwheel right here, choose log out, and then when you log out, you have the option to switch to your new account. So just log in to the other account and that way you can switch between them. Unfortunately on PC there's no switch account button, so what you do is you just need to log out and log in again. Now that's basically how you can do it. It's really simple. There's not really much more to it, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.